ABS with 800 plus people at our 100 plus sites across India. Right now, we are not just practicing safety measures, we are following green measures to check carbon emission of the buildings. We go that extra mile to keep our water clean, to keep our air clean, to keep the atmosphere clean. But practically, can we do all this alone? No way. If we together have inflicted environmental damage for decades, we need to see where we have gone wrong as an engineering unit and start healing Mother Nature. And if we go in that direction and not hurt nature further, trust me, we will together create a momentum, a movement. These messages are usually politically sponsored or sponsored with the business interest, but we are not at a stage to think only about our company. We are here to think about the company we keep, the company of good people, the company of people who love nature. We really believe that we have a lot to do and we cannot do it alone. We need a stronger voice, but it is not that our voice should be the strongest. If you have a stronger voice, we will join you and let us create a chorus that is music to Mother Earth.